Hi, my name is Kelly. I'm an undergraduate student at the University of Toledo. For my final project, I chose the topic of Down syndrome. Down syndrome is a lifelong condition. Every cell in the body has a nucleus where genetic material is stored in genes. Genes carry the codes responsible for all of our inherited traits and our group structures, called chromosomes. The nucleus of each cell contains 23 pairs of chromosomes, half of which are inherited from each parent. Down syndrome can occur when an individual has a full or partial extra copy of chromosome 21. This extra chromosome leads to issues that affect a person both mentally and physically. Down syndrome cannot be cured, but doctors know more about it now than ever before. There is no link to any environmental factor or anything that the parent did or did not do. Research has shown that women 35 and older are at a higher risk of delivering a baby with this syndrome. If a person is a child born with this disorder, chances are high that another child will be born with it too. There are different types of Down syndrome. Trisomy 21 is caused by an error in cell division. This type accounts for 95% of known cases. Mosaic Down syndrome is another type. In this specific type, there is a mixture of two types of cells. This type accounts for around 1% of known cases. The third type is translocation. This type has 46 chromosomes. However, an additional full or partial copy of chromosome 21 attaches to another chromosome, which is usually chromosome 14. Presence of this extra chromosome causes the characteristics of Down syndrome. An individual with Down syndrome may experience behavioral or emotional problems. Some may have anxiety, depression, and ADHD. They may display repetitive movements, aggression, or social withdrawal. Certain health issues are common, such as hearing loss, heart problems, obstructive sleep apnea, vision issues, just to name a few. These individuals face challenges with what is considered normal living functions on a day-to-day basis. Family love and support is very crucial to the survival and growth of these individuals. A child with this syndrome needs to be treated as any other child. Their physical and emotional demands are the same as other children. With love, patience, acceptance, and attending outside support groups, families begin to cope, accept, and adjust in everyday living where needed. By treating them as fully contributing members of the family, seeing them as a person and not a disability, it helps them to have confidence in themselves. Having a job helps them to build confidence also. By employing a person with Down syndrome, it is bringing awareness to the public that these individuals have many talents and can perform certain tasks the same as an able body. Many of the jobs contain repetitive motions, which help to make it easier to grasp the concept, retain, and to demonstrate. Being employed helps to have a better quality of life and opportunities for development. Places of employment need to be all-inclusive, making sure to provide equal rights and opportunities. Research has shown that the lifespan of a person with Down syndrome has doubled in the last 20 years. In 20 more years, a significant increase in the population with this syndrome will be noted. This being made possible with more advanced medical knowledge and technology and less institutionalization. Government programs for training and research need to be increased. By law, free and appropriate education should be provided. Down syndrome is the least funded research program. Updated and appropriate testing is needed, as well as accurate information for the families. With technology constantly changing, accessibility needs to be on the forefront. Computer technology is an exceptionally useful tool. Software needs to be easy to navigate and understand. If a person with Down syndrome can access a computer program, a greater sense of independence will be demonstrated. A little human kindness and acceptance doesn't hurt and can go a long way. Thanks for taking the time to listen. Hope you enjoy the video presentation.